Good morning, guys. So today I am going to be doing a quick and simple 10-minute makeup routine for you guys. It is early morning, I'm getting ready for work, and I just wanted to show you guys in real time how quick and simple I can get a flawless face and cover all of my problem areas. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join the fam bam and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. So let's jump right in. So my face is clean. I use the Pixie Beauty Glycolic Acid Toner in the morning, usually to just clean off my face and exfoliate all the dead skin cells off from the night before. And then my face does not have any moisturizer on it. I actually don't usually use moisturizer in the morning, and I'm going to show you why, so don't freak out. So the first thing I'm going to use is the ColorScience Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy. This is the Broad Spectrum SPF 35. So this is going to protect your eyes. It has a nice natural peach undertone that's going to cancel out any dark circles, and it also has this nice little applicator. It's nice and cool, so it's going to depuff underneath your eyes as well. This stuff is great for diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and I really like this stuff. It also is like glue for your concealer. It will really keep your concealer in place all day. Usually I avoid under eye creams just because they really do kind of mess with my concealer, but this does not do that at all. It actually helps my concealer, which is amazing. And then I'm just going to take a beauty blender and just buff it out, and as you can see, it just really brightens up underneath my eyes, and that nice peach shade just like really cancels out any darkness under there. I really like this stuff. Works so nice. Now I'm going to go in with foundation, and the foundation that I like to use on a daily basis is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation. This is a full coverage moisturizer, and I mix it with my Estee Lauder Double Wear. And I'm in the shade Honey Bronze in Double Wear, and I am in the shade Rich in the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation. This combination together is amazing. Makes my skin look so dewy, protects it from the sun with SPF 50, and it just keeps my face in place and it's full coverage. I mean, it's perfect. So I use 2 pumps of each. I'll do 2 pumps of the IT Cosmetics and 2 pumps of the Estee Lauder, and then I'll just mix it around on the back of my hand. And in the morning, when it comes to being quick and efficient in the morning, I just like multi-purpose tools, and this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation is perfect for that. My face never feels like dry or like it's missing anything after I use this. And then I'm just going to take this JACLYN Hill buffer brush. I will list everything down in the description box. And I'm just going to buff this out all over my face. Okay, now that most of my foundation is buffed out, and don't forget to bring it down your neck, you are going to then assess your face and see where you need more coverage. So we have our nice base layer. We're nice and even. Everything looks good. Now, as you can see, I have some dark spots peeking through over here. So I'm going to take the remainder of the foundation on the back of my hand, and then I'm just going to stipple it over the areas that I need it. This is going to keep you from getting cakey, which is not what we want. And if you still have some dark spots peeking through, that's fine, because we're going to go over and fix it later. So don't stress. Don't stress! But this just gives like the most beautiful coverage. And go a little bit over the brows. And you really want to pat over the dark spots. This is going to build up coverage just where you need it. Now moving on to concealer. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I've been loving this stuff lately. As you can see, I'm almost out of this. I need to repurchase it tomorrow during the Sephora sale. And I am in the shade Sand. And I just place this underneath my eyes. This is a really great concealer for every day because it doesn't feel drying underneath my eyes. Sometimes when I use concealer underneath my eyes, it'll kind of like dry out during the day, and this does not. This has, I believe, hyaluronic acid in it, so it makes your under eyes feel more hydrated, which, I mean, who doesn't want that? You really want your under eye area to look and feel hydrated at all times. Okay, now I'm going to take the Beauty Blender again, and I'm just going to blend that out. One side done. This stuff just blends out so nicely. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier, my translucent setting powder. This has never failed me, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques setting brush. I'm just going to pack that on and then just pat it underneath my eyes. I don't do any baking or anything like that. Like I said, I don't like my under eyes to feel dry throughout the day. So I just do a light dusting, and then I'll really get around my nose because that's where I tend to get oiliest during the day, is around my nose. All right, now I'm going to do my forehead and my chin. Now to powder the whole face, I'm going to be using the Hello Flawless powder. I have been loving this stuff lately. I use it every day and it's so great. And I'm going to be using the JACLYN Hill JH02 brush, and I'm just going to be patting this all over my face. This is an actual like foundation powder, so it's going to give you that extra coverage that the foundation may not have given you. So I'm going to go into the same Hello Flawless powder by Benefit, and I'm going to swirl my brush around. This is the BH Cosmetics number 5 brush, and I'm just going to go over any dark spots that are still peeking through. And I'm just going to press the powder right on top. Now if you have a like circle there because you are like packing this on, you're going to feather out the edges around it, okay? Since this is the same color as what we use to set our face with, when we spray our face and set everything in place, it's just all going to blend together. So just pack it where you need it. And just buff out the edges. See? Brush it out. All right, all of my dark spots are sufficiently covered. Now I'm going to let that settle in, and I'm going to move on to brows. And for brows, I am using the CoverGirl Brow Pencil, which I am obsessed with. This is my all-time favorite brow product at the moment. This like beats out Anastasia Beverly Hills in my mind. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm not going for like a structured brow look for every day. I'm just going for a natural bushy brow, which I've really been into lately. And brows are sisters, not twins. I've given up on my brows being twins. They're just not twins, okay? All right, and now I'm going to go in with my Benefit Give Me Brow, and this is in the number 6, and I'm just going to run that through my brows, keep my brows in place all day. I love this stuff. I've literally been asleep to it. It's so good. Now I'm just going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Voila, and we are done. I also add a lip or chapstick, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. This is the Lip Plumping Gloss in Mocha, which is just a pretty shade, and it's super inexpensive. Lip glosses get so gross to me, so I feel like an inexpensive gloss for every day is the way to go. So I am going to go finish my hair. Actually, I'll just take my hair down for the sake of this because you guys don't need to see me in my work clothes. It's not like that exciting. All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple and quick 10-minute full coverage makeup routine. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new video. And I hope you guys have a great day today. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a great day. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.